100%.
Already in the snow. Cheer! John Olsen, what?
He got that V10. Well, I mean, not good enough.
Better handling though.